If you don't like the 9-to-5 grind, you're not alone. Many people feel trapped in their daily routines, longing for a way out. But the reality is, bills still need to be paid, and financial responsibilities can't be ignored. Fortunately, the internet offers a plethora of opportunities to make money from the comfort of your home. Let's explore some proven methods to earn online. Freelancing is a fantastic option for those with marketable skills. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or marketer, freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer can connect you with clients worldwide. You can set your own rates, choose your projects, and work on your own schedule. If you have expertise in a particular field, consider creating online courses or writing ebooks. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Amazon Kindle. Direct publishing make it easy to share your knowledge and earn passive income. Imagine getting paid while you sleep, as people from around the world purchase your content. Another lucrative method is affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services through your blog, YouTube channel, or social media, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your referral links. Websites like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank offer a wide range of products to promote. E-commerce has revolutionized the way we shop, and you can tap into this market through dropshipping. This business model allows you to sell products without holding any inventory. Simply set up an online store, partner with suppliers, and they will ship products directly to your customers. Shopify and WooCommerce are popular platforms to get started. Remote job opportunities are also on the rise. Companies are increasingly offering remote positions in customer service, marketing, tech support, and more. Websites like Remote.co, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs list thousands of remote job openings. This allows you to work for reputable companies from anywhere in the world. For those interested in investing, the stock market and cryptocurrencies offer potential for significant returns. Platforms like Robinhood, eTrade, and Coinbase make it easy to start trading. However, it's important to educate yourself and understand the risks involved before diving in. With so many options available, there's a method for everyone. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, the internet provides endless possibilities. Start your online money-making journey today and take control of your financial future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, strategies, and in-depth guides on making money online. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into each of these methods.